little bit about the I could talk a little bit about the rejection also. I can explore, we can explore what else, what other lessons are being offered to me by my external world. Yeah, the rejection came from because I was again in the filmmaking course and it's editing day yesterday. And as I was going through the material, an idea landed on me. And it's an idea that I'm interested in. So my hands cooperated with it in my brain, and my idea, my hands and my brain and my feelings are all working together properly. No one is trying to dominate the other. They're all in harmony. So I know that this is a good idea. I feel it. So I was working on it. And towards the afternoon, and usually when these classes happen, the teacher checks on each of the students for some kind of fragment maybe of a finished project that they can put their feedback on or try to sharpen maybe so that the project will be more smooth in how it unfolds. So I told her, when she went to my table, I told her, well, this is not yet done. This is just, I'm still looking for the sound that will fit it so what she saw was that it's just moving images, there's no sound at all. And she said, it doesn't work. It's confusing, it doesn't make sense, the viewer doesn't really know what it's about. And inside my head, I'm like, I saw her point, but I'm also, in a way, I'm a little bit happy because those were my goals. What she said, it's my goal for my project that it doesn't make sense, that it's confusing, and that the viewer will not really understand what it's about, so that he or she will have the freedom to put her own, maybe it's about this, or maybe she is like this, or maybe the viewer has all the freedom without the intervention of what the story could be coming from me. I edited the visuals. But of course, it doesn't work in the conventional way. It doesn't check all the boxes of this is how the linear sort of, or the kind that you will see on TV or the big screen. It doesn't work like that, because that's the conventional manner of showing something in the film medium. That's not really what I'm aiming for. So in a way, I got validated in a sense of it works in my own way. But of course, it doesn't work in the educated societal kind of way. I know that. I know that. And also, there is no sound yet. I was still looking for it. So when she saw it, it's almost like looking at an egg, a duck egg, let's say it's a duck egg, and flashing a light on it and saying, well, this is not a chick. This is, I don't know what it is, but it doesn't work. Are you even sure that this is coming from a duck? Sort of. So I took her feedback. Still, I took her feedback. I absorbed everything that I could absorb from it, both the intellectual side and the emotional side. I absorbed all the feedback. I didn't try to resist it. I absorbed everything because I know that I can learn from it, even though it hurts. So when she walked away, I looked at the egg again and I'm like, it's okay. I'll wait for you to hatch and come out and do your... It's okay. I know you're still developing your blood vessels and your feathers and all this, but I'll be here when you hatch. Sort of. And it hatched, and I felt it. I was very happy with that, with the thing that came out of it. I don't know. I was so happy. I felt like I did something that I have not done before. Because whenever I join these filmmaking courses, I make it a point to not do the same thing. Make it a point to not do the same thing because because I have limited resources, and if I do the same thing, there is no more to learn there. There's no more challenge. I already know how it works. So it will be just like wasting time and energy and money on it. So every time it's different. And this is the latest one. It's my 5th one. It's different again. And I really liked it. I loved it. Yeah. It's exciting to me. I know, maybe it's just me, not everyone else, but that's alright. That's alright. But today, I'm gonna challenge myself again. I'm gonna do something that's conventional. I'm gonna edit again my way of... I'm gonna try to blend my voice in the conventional sort of editing. Because the other thing that really strayed me away was that I cannot connect with the writing at all. I cannot connect. Something felt very flat. And if I'm not interested in something, nothing good will come out of it. So I tried to do something that's well, that it, I, I, I tried to do something that's interesting to me, even with the awareness that it doesn't work in the conventional manner. But today I will try. There is also an idea that landed on me when I woke up, and I will see if it's gonna work. But as always, thank you for sharing the sunrise with me, and the days and the lessons. Thank you, because this really helps also. This really helps a lot. It feels like really like I have successfully made a version of the world where I can just rest and be honest through this. Maybe everyone is sleeping still. It's quite early on a Sunday. But yeah, thank you. And I hope the sun will rise on your face wherever you are.